Alright guys, today I got a 2011 CTS. Gonna be doing a valve cover gasket removal, replacing a new one. So we're gonna take this whole top end off. We gotta take the shrimp bar off. We gotta take this off. Make sure you take this off first. Alright, just pop these off. Alright, once you got all that done, you wanna come over here, disconnect these. There's a size 18. Show you guys how quick. Alright, take them out. Take that out. Just put it up there for right now. Got that done. Put that there. Alright, once you got that off, just put that down. Alright, next thing you want to do is disconnect the intake. Take this clip off. Push off. Take the sensor off right here. Push the clip. This clip, push it in, pull. Got 10 mil right here. This clip back here, same thing like this one. You have a clip back here. So what you want to do is just put your finger back there and just pull up. Alright. Once that's done, come over here. Pull this hose, tug this hose. Gotta take this off. Take that off and come over here to take this off. All right, once you got all that done, want to come back and unscrew these real quick for a size 13. Alright, got those disconnected. You got 3 back here that you gotta take off. Back this one right here, and this one, and this one. You gotta take these off. I already started taking them out, so yeah, let me get those out real quick. Alright, once you took the bolts off and everything, you should be able to just lift up. There you go. Alright, once you got the intake manifold off, make sure you cover these holes. There you go. Next thing you want to do is remove this bracket and this thing right here in the way. So it's going to be a 10 mil. All right, once you get that 10 mil removed, you got play. All right, once that is pushed out of the way, so you push out of the way so you have enough room to break loose the bolts from the valve covers. Straight with the next step. All right, once you do that, just come over here, just flip these back, disconnect it. Just pull. Just put down on a clip. Pull. I'm gonna take this off with this. One more back here. Just want to move this out of the way real quick. Over here. Go back here. There you go. Alright, next step, gotta break loose these 10 mils. Take the coils out. Once you take the bolts off for the coil pack, go ahead and just pop it off. Alright, once you got the left side out, and go over to the driver's side and start move this over here. So it's not in your way. Got this hose, just push it down here. Just push it out of the way so it's not in your way. This thing right here too. Just move it out of your way. Try to go over here. See this clip goes for this. Got this go ahead and pop it up over here. Got that broken loose. Just once you're done with that, go over here and just pop out the spark plugs from the clips. All right, once you take this one off, got that off, and just pull this one, add it from the spot. All right, next thing, take these out with the 10 mil. All right, once you got that out, go ahead and take the coil packs out, and next thing you want to do is go ahead and start disconnecting the valve covers with the 10 mil all the way around. Back there, right here, right there. All right, once you break each bolt loose, go ahead and go back and just let's take a flathead and just break it loose in the middle and each corner, the back. That's pretty much. And pretty much when you do that, go ahead and just lift up and this should come up. All right, once you get it to come off, just go ahead and pull it off, and it's out the passenger side. All right, go ahead and pop these off. You don't want to pop these off in each one. Replace them with new gaskets. All right, once you got those all removed, go ahead and flip this and get this gasket out. All right, once you take the valve cover gasket out, next thing to do is take this spark plug coil gasket off, each one by one. Just grab a flathead, just poke it out right here, and just pretty much just bend up, and it should be coming out all around the corner. Just do that. All right, once you got all those removed, go ahead and start installing the new ones, but make sure you clean this. If you have a little oil, go ahead and just put a little oil right here in the inside, so it makes it slide in a little easier in the gasket. Once you got those installed, go ahead and install the gasket for the valve cover all the way around. Once it's done, go ahead and install it into the passenger side. Before you install the valve cover gasket, go ahead and go back and make sure you clean all this. So you don't want that on the new gasket all around. Make sure it's clean. All right, once it's all cleaned up, go ahead and grab the valve covers and go ahead and install it back on. All right, once you put the valve covers back on, go ahead and make sure it's sat all the way around correctly. Go ahead and go back and start installing the bolts in each one. All right, once you go ahead and install all the bolts, go ahead and start hand tying them down. Here's a diagram. So you guys want to go ahead and screenshot that. So yeah, once you have that in, go ahead and go back and hand tie each one. All right, once you got all those hand tied all the way around, go. So next, got spark plugs. Socket size is 5/8 if you don't know. All right, change the spark plugs. Have the new ones in now. Put the coils back on. Put the 10 mil. Just tying them down. Once you're done, next thing you want to do is go ahead and start connecting the spark plug. Put the clips back in. Put these right there. Once that's good, start doing the driver side next. Next, you want to screw all these 10 mils all around the valve cover. All right, so for this side, you might want to take off each bolt, just pull them out, because it's gonna be difficult because with all this stuff in the way. So yeah. So just go ahead and pop it off once you're done all that. All right, got the valve cover out, so I'm gonna start working on that one. All right, another easy way to take these out. Go ahead and grab a flathead and go ahead and smack this pointing down, and it should pop off. We gotta smack it with a hammer or something. I already took them off, so it should pop like that once you hit it with the hammer. All right, so I got all the valve cover gaskets off. So next thing, install these. I already put some more around these, so it makes it easy to just pop in. Boom. Boom. Got those in. Next, just put the valve cover in, gasket. Boom, all the way around. All right, there you go. Once that's in, could come back over here and go ahead clean where the gasket is gonna go. Make sure it doesn't fall inside. Sit on their heads. Just clean all the way around. Make sure it's good. All right, go ahead and put the valve covers back on, and go ahead and put these one by one, and go ahead and start hand tying them down, just like the other side. All right, all those are tying down. So next thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and take these spark plugs out and replace them with new ones. All right, got the new ones in. So now I'm gonna install the coils. I put the coils back in. Once you do the coils, make sure you put the connectors back into the coils. Make sure the clips are back in and everything. These are all hand tie and everything. Set this down to the right where it sits correctly. And next thing pretty much is install the intake manifold back on. All right, right before you install the intake manifold, go ahead make sure you clean the gaskets out if they're still good or not. If they're not good, I'll go ahead and replace them. Well, for these in just case, I'm gonna reuse these because these are fine shape. So yeah. All right, there you go, sat in. So next thing is go ahead and put these bolts back in. These 13 mils. Don't forget to install these 13s back here. This one, and this one right there. Once you put those in, go ahead and hand tie them down all the way. No. All right, so I tighten these down all the way. These back ones, these. So next thing, go ahead and put this hose back in. And this hose for the intake, go ahead and install it back in. So this popped out, so you just push it back in, push this back in. Once you got that in, go ahead and click this back in. Put this sensor back in. Once you put that sensor back in, go ahead, come over here, put that 10 mil. Go and got that in, go ahead and install this. Install this thing back here. Just push it in, clips in. Just make sure you bolt this one back down. Alright, once you put that 10 mil, another 10 mil right here. Tighten those down. After that, you tighten that down, go ahead and tighten this down right here. Alright, once everything's good, go ahead and put that sharp bar back on. Once your bar is done, go ahead and start it up. Make sure everything is running good, perfectly fine. And once that is, go ahead and put the covers and put the engine cover, and you're good. All right, once that's done, put everything back on. There you go, you're good.